Hi guys, welcome to RK Help Desk. In this session, we are going to learn about how to terminate ec2 instance, means how to delete ec2 instance. So let's start. I have already logged in my AWS account. Okay, uh, this is the ec2 dashboard. Just open the ec2 instance. This is my ec2 instance. Let's open it and go to instance state. We can manage here stop instance, means the system will be power off, reboot instance, system will be restarted, and terminate instance means system will be delete from your account. So I want to terminate the instance, I want to delete it. Just click on terminate instance, terminate. This instance is terminated successfully. Okay, let's take status again. See, it is setting now. It is instance state is setting down. Hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment, share and subscribe RK IT Help Desk. Thank you for watching.